Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is addressing Kim. That's a person on his live. He's also addressing the landlord Erica and Miss D. Now, he's saying that the landlord Erica has been coming out and, saying that he's this Miss D before. He's, have altercations with her. That he had drawn her name over social media. And she continues to talk about that, allegedly, says Dwayne. And so he's coming out for her. He's saying that she needs to stop, as what he did was in the past. Why is it that she's not calling out other people such as Ashanti that had spoke against Miss D in a lot of derogatory way, but she's not calling them out. She's just seeing him. So he's also came out to say, to address Miss D as well. And this other person that was on his live. So guys, go ahead and catch the video and see what Dwayne has to say. And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful afternoon.
Conversation. I am not making an excuse for my behavior. That bitch, Porty, needs to leave me alone. Right? I am not making this. Girl, anything I say, I say with my full chest. I am saying it with my full chest, Kadian. I care zero. She said, oh, Makosar. And a bag of nonsense. But bear in mind, she said this before. She said it before. So why repeat it again? Bear in mind, you have new audience, a lot of new audience. Are you not telling these people to hate me? That's how I see it. I don't know how you see it, but that's how I see it. And I'm tired of this hatred. I'm tired of being hated. And then again, you can't please everybody. You can't please everyone. We as human beings, she can't please everyone. None of you can please everyone. I can't please everyone. But it's the fact that she's uttering it out, knowing how far that video will reach, and people hearing, I'm a class Sam of this. Why is she not talking about why I classed her? She knows why I classed her. How many times she's been on her page and called me hospital patient? Did I make a mountain out of it? No, me just class. I don't go about my business. It's not that serious. Let it go. I don't plank boss. I don't. I look at me at them. You see them red? Me don't want classy again. But I feel like you're provoking me. I feel like you're provoking me. Ingrid, I hear you, girl. But she might not have meant it that way, right? But I'm telling you, those fans, they don't let nothing go. They love to hate. They love to hate people. They're hateful people. Very, very hateful. Don't you see what I'm saying, girl? Honestly, from my point of view, I've had to endure this nonsense for the last how much years. And bear in mind, I'm the ill one. I'm sick. I'm meant to be having fun, laughing, right? That's why I do Mixup, because a lot of them, I laugh about them. I come back, I watch the live streams, I look at your comments, and the comments, they make me laugh. Right? I'm not doing it for with no malicious intent. I do it because I like to read your comments. That's it. What's the issue? Bear in mind, my page was never monetized before. Yes, it probably is now. Right? And I'm making nothing. I'm making peanuts. They're making the big bucks. But do I care? No. All if it's give me $100, I will take my little 100 and go. It's not that serious. I don't care. I want peace and do my blogging in peace, and that's it. And I don't want to come in here and continue having to defend my character. Porty telling lies on me like I told lies on anyone. Isn't Bonix an acquaintance of Donegal? Isn't Bonix? Let's be real, Planks. Let's be real for once. Isn't Bonix an acquaintance of Donegal of 99? How did a lot of you know who Bonix was? If you're not from Canada, if you don't live in Canada, did you know about Bonix? Did any of you know about Bonix? Did I know about Bonix? I did not know nothing. I knew nothing about Bonix. I heard Donegal promoting Bonix a lot of times, saying, come and meet her there, meet and greet, and buy some baddie stuff. right? That's how I heard about her. So okay, an acquaintance of Donegal arrested for scamming. It is. Well, not the, I said 99. Arrested for scamming and more. I told no lies. I spoke the truth. It is the truth. You guys, you people are not analyzing my choice of words. That's why on the field I say I'm coming to their side. I'm not coming at no. You know who I will come on their sideways, and I won't care. I will definitely give it to the midget. I'll definitely give it to the other one on YouTube, and I'll give it to friggin' the Majesty. I'll give it to Porty too. Everyone else, I have no issues with them. What's the big deal? What am I doing to you people? Why don't I come hit me? Just fuck off. And leave me alone. If you don't like me, don't come. Don't come to unfollow me. I have 80,000. You won't be missed. You will not be missed. Block me. Even better, block my page. Stop coming here and harass me. I don't like it. It is going to hurt my nerves. It's going to hurt my spirit. And shit, it's going to provoke me. And I mean actually act out of character. I don't, listen, just leave me alone. Please, I'm asking people, don't start making a mountain out of nothing. I told no lies. You don't need to waste your breath explaining anything. Right, girl, exactly. But it's that bitch Porty getting my damn nerves. Telling lies. I'm mixing them. You see, do you guys realize every one of her content has to do 99, right? Why are you guys not going at her the way you're coming at me? I feel like I've earned the right to speak about her. I feel like, shit, she gave me permission. Did she give Porty permission to talk about her? No. Do you guys want to hear the evidence? She said Dwayne can use her videos. I don't care. But you know when they come to my page with their bullshit, that's what pisses me off, India. It pisses me off. It really irks my nerves. You understand? I'm not out here to justify my actions. I am not justifying nothing to none of you. Anything I said, I stand by it. Bonix is an acquaintance of Donegal. Bonix was introduced to you people by Donegal. However, hence now she's been arrested for scamming. Scamming. I can read the article again for you if you want to hear. And then people making it seem like I'm telling lies about this article. You see me, what you guys need to know, anything I come on my page with, I always research first. I always, well, especially things of that magnitude. I put in work. And I've been hearing it from last night, and I went to work. I didn't go to bed till like 4 this morning because I wanted to find out if this is true. And I went scrolling, and I scrolled and I scrolled, and I found the article. If I didn't see the article, I perhaps would have not come out with it because it's not true. I would have said, okay, it is, this one I was going to say allegedly. I was going to say allegedly until. Right, Jesus, exactly. That was my point. And that's what pissed me off. She had the nerve to come talk about, people drag our kids, but she don't want to call their names. Why don't you want to call their name? Is it that you want to keep the peace? So you feel more compelled to call my name. Don't call not call my name. Not call my name. Cause if you not call for them name, not call my name neither. Don't call my name, Plank Boss. If you not call 360 and others names who dragged you, the same things you spoke about in that video, if you not call them name, what you call my name for? That's how people investigated. Talk will talk. Have any of you ever heard me going out doing the kind of investigation on her? No. The only two people you know who does these things on here is who? Write the name in the comments. Write the people's names in the comments who investigated her. But she can speak about it, but she not call him, but she won't come call my name. The fucking nerve. The blood clot nerve. The fucking audacity. On the two blood clot otada. I'm bright like when I come past no pussy clot. Don't fuck, hey, more class, no. Now play with me. Don't do that shit. Don't do that. I don't like it. I don't like it. It bothers me. Don't like me. Don't like me. Then don't like me. Don't like me. Don't like me. Because I feel like you're setting me up. You are setting me up. And Plankamas, I'm not gonna class him. I'm not class you. I made a promise to myself. I'm not class him. I'm not class you. I'm gonna hold on to that damn promise. Just stop. Don't call my name in that nonsense no more. It is done. You did things to me. I did things back to you. Let's let it go now. Can we just let it go now? Can we just please let it go now, please? Can we please let it go now? Planks, encourage Plankabas, please. Can we let it go now? Let it go. It is time we move on with our lives. She is doing amazing. I am not. I'm very mediocre. And I'm happy. I'm not complaining being mediocre. I'm not complaining. I'm not. Little is much when God is in it. As she always said, little is much when God is in it. And I'm holding on to that. Because yes, little is much when God is in it for real. Alpha $1, alpha $2, alpha $5, more tell me like $5 and go on. It's not, and bear in mind, it's free money. I'm sitting on my ass. Actually, no, it's not free because I'm busting my ass off to friggin' chat. You understand? It's not that serious. So if she, Alicia, if she likes me, why don't she show that she likes? Show it. Don't hold back. Show that you like me. Don't like me behind the scenes or like me in your heart or in your head and not show it to social media. I think if she did this, a lot of the hardships I've had to face or I've had to endure for these years, I would have not gotten it. I don't think she likes me. I don't think she likes me. I don't think she likes me. Imagine this woman. I cried for her so many times on my page. I cried like a baby. The way I saw people dragging her family. I'm come out, I'm a class the people. I'm gonna say I class the Dwayne don't class. And bear in mind, these times I was ill. I'm still ill as fuck, but I still classed it. You know why? Because I liked her. I am not cursing her. I have not once cursed her, Alicia. I have not cursed her. Go back and listen to my video. I said if she do it again, I said if she did it again, I will class her. And I stand by what I said. She needs to let it go. Let it go. I did not class her. And shit, I don't want it to show me that shit. I don't want it to show me. Don't show me. I am fine. I have my mother and my family to show me they value me, and they love me. I'm not here for this fake love nonsense. I'm not. I'm not listening to no negativity. I'm not. I heard for myself the video. I heard it. She continues to make reference that I classed her on her live stream, Sonia. Right? And you know, obviously every time she does these things, she even said out of her own mouth. Here was said out of her mouth. When she put out a prayer for me, her planks, they was very upset with her for doing even that. So if they're upset with you for doing that, why are you continuing to make reference to that class? Just let it go. Forget about me. I am non-existent now. Let me be non-existent. Let me be a non-entity. You are up there. I am still down here. Let me stay down here and forget about me. Stop making reference. Sonny, do you get what I'm saying, girl? Do you get it? If when she put out a prayer for me, right, her followers was very upset with her and then reach out to us and to the whatever, okay? They was very upset with her. Why continue to make reference to me about I classed her? Is she not like putting out there for them to hate me even more? I don't like it. I don't want it to like me ever again. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Like the other people, like them. Like the ones who did it the most. At them should feel like, not me. I am good, girl. I am good. I have my family to love me. She likes me, but she don't rate me. Imagine liking someone but don't rate them. Oh, is it because I'm lean up? Is it because I can't add any value to her life? Okay, great. Well, let's just remember, I added a lot of value to your life because I'm very sure me, Queen K, Mixup Queen, and others, we added value to your shit. We pushed you up so high up in the metaverse, like you are unreachable now. So at least, you understand? We rated you then. That's what pushed you up so far. You understand? Now if we're gonna make our group to support you. So say thank you. And stop. Just stop, girl. Just stop. Just stop it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's bothering my spirit. I am very calm. I'm very calm. My pressure is fine. Thank you for caring, that person. I'm fine. Imagine you people know I'm not well, right? All of you know this, right? She did not say anything about you. Yeah, I know. That's good. Okay, Amelia. Okay, Amika. Okay, we'll have that. Listen. I'm okay now. I'm okay now. I just want her to stop making reference to that, because every time she does, she's giving her followers even more. She's giving them more anger to hate me. Is it anger? Whatever. She's giving them more reasons to hate me that I classed, especially the new followers. Alicia, I told you I listened to the video myself. I did a live on it. I'm not listening to no one. I'm listening to no one. And I am not classing her. If you don't call this class, if you don't call this class, then how about my class potty look well? When my class, see potty, I classed her just now my other life. That is classing. This meta and is just talking.